Hello everyone, I'm Kirby D. Pagaran and I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about the mutiny and the rebellion case against the Gumbursa. Important turning points in the Philippine history. The Cavite Mutiny and the rebellion case against the Gumbursa illustrate that the conflicts that existed in the 19th century between us, Filipino nationalism and colonial authority. The larger backdrop of the Spanish colonization and the escalating aspiration for the Philippine independence shaped these events. The 1872 Cavite Mutiny was a notable rebellion by Filipino soldiers stationed at the Fort San Felipe, Cavite. Numerous complaints such as alleged discrimination, low pay, and unfavorable working conditions served as the catalyst for the mutiny. The rebellion was put down in a day, but it gave the Spanish government cover to suppress perceived opposition and nationalist groups. The capture and eventual execution of the three Filipino priests, Father Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, collectively known as the Gumbursa, was one of the prominent consequences of the Cavite Mutiny. Their support for Filipino liberties inside the Catholic Church and their nationalist views made them targets even though there was no concrete evidence connecting them to the insurrection. The Gumbursa trial was marked by anomalies and a deficiency of due process. The outcome appeared to have been prearranged by the Spanish government. On February 17, 1872, the three priests were executed by garrote in spite of strong public uproar and pleas for mercy. Their martyrdom inspired mass demonstration against Spanish colonial rule and energized the Filipino nationalism movement. The propaganda, a group of intellectuals and activists from the Philippines based on Europe, was sparked by the Gumbursa case and aimed to bring about the political reforms as well as increased representation for Filipinos in the Spanish colonial government. The propagandists, led by individuals like Jose Rizal, used literature and periodicals to promote Philippine autonomy and draw attention to the wrongs of the Spanish authority. The lessons further explores the social-political context of the time, including the emergence of the propaganda movement led by the Filipino intellectuals based in Europe, influenced by Enlightenment ideals and inspired by the plight of their compatriots back home. These reformists advocated for the greater autonomy and civil liberties for the Philippines with the Spanish Empire. Furthermore, the lesson delves into the legacy of the Cavite Mutiny and the Gumbursa execution, which serve as the crucial milestone in the Philippine journey towards nationhood. They laid the groundwork for the future revolutionary movement, including the Katipunan led by Andres Bonifacio, which ultimately culminated in the Philippine Revolution of 1896 and the Declaration of Independence in 1898. Additionally, the lesson examines the impact of these events on the identity and collective memory, emphasizing the enduring significance of remembering and commemorating the sacrifice of the past heroes. Their courage and resilience continue to inspire successive generations of Filipino in their ongoing struggles for freedom, justice, and sovereignty. Throughout Filipino history, the Cavite Mutiny and the Gumbursa case left a lasting impact that shaped the course of nation independence movement. The events of 1872 brought the light that enduring conflicts that existed between colonizers and the colonized people, as well the Filipino people ability to fight injustice. In conclusion, key movement in the Philippine history The Cavite Mutiny and the rebellion case against Gumburza represents the hardship and sacrifice made by successive generations of the Filipino in the fight for independence and self-determination. These incidents serve as the constant reminder of the colonialism, lasting effect as well as the continuous struggle for justice and sovereignty.